It's gonna be like the exhaust that you showed me yesterday. Oh, I know why you made it get it. Because you wanted to see how it hears before you put it on your car. You fucking dickhead.
What sound though?
This? It's a sound.
God damn. Holy shit, it's gonna be so fucking loud.
What tips did you get? The carbon, the black ones?
Nah, they come with standards. I think these are tips. I think they're the single wall.
This shouldn't be that bad.
Yeah, like a single wall. Really shit, bro. Fucking chest.
They're huge.
God damn, let's see compare. They like swallow this one up there.
It's nice though.
Yeah.
It looks nice. It's a Bolt 13. Yo, those tools are fucking rusted as shit. I mean, I worked on the owner's son's Miata, so I kind of like used them then, and then the Jeep, but there can't be that fucking dust underneath this shit. This shit only has like 100 miles.
It's the glue on the fucking boat.
Oh, the Loctite. And then obviously you gotta take out that clamp.
Which clamp? This one?
That one. No. That one.
This one?
Yeah. How else are you gonna get it off?
Wait. We gotta go step by step, Brian. Shit. That's not the next step. Oh, I suppose this is the updated. Yeah, this is the old dated platform. So it's like,
That's probably the 13 too. Yeah. Damn, nigga, you didn't eat breakfast?
Nah. I got my Wheaties.
Like a beer. I should have brought some from that fucking thing. He had a whole cooler too.
Yeah, bro, why didn't you? It's hot as fuck. Ow!
Like the exhaust? You want gloves? I have gloves.
Not the plastic gloves?
Yeah, like these.
I'm gonna do shit.
Yeah, those,
right
nigga.
It's gonna fucking burn right through this shit.
Nah, it's not.
I had gloves in my other car. Woo! Woo!
Stop being a bitch.
Woo!
We just gotta be careful. There's one in the middle too, right? A rubber hanger in the middle, or no?
Oh, down there.
Okay, so we gotta do these.
It's not gonna drop because it's held on.
Yeah, by wires. That's why. Don't undo those first. Do these.
Yeah. No, we're gonna.
And then we have to unhook the thing.
No, there's a.
But good luck trying to undo these. It's no so. Let's see.
It's not, I just don't want it to fucking.
Oh shit.
I need to hold it with fucking this shit.
No, it shouldn't fall though.
Nah, it won't, but just in case. Give a fuck. It's the other exhaust. Where is Let's see.
I don't want to use that.
Because that one, if we can just get that one off, then we'll just pop this one right off, but there's no space to move.
What do you mean? I almost got this shit off.
Shit, that was on me. I listened to that.
I'm guessing it's this one.
Yeah, and then a clamp.
Like this one?
Is there other ones?
These.
I think it's the other one. I think it's the other one.
Because they're all... Oh, wait. Maybe it's this?
No. The first one you showed me.
You sure it's not like this? Then what the fuck is this for? Let me see something. I don't know.
Give me another. Is there another coupler? Oh, wait a second.
Just these.
Wait a second, hold on.
There's this.
What is this? The stocks?
Easier. Like these
Yeah.
are so much easier than the fucking the other one. Put it on, jackass. See, and now it's
Shut up!
be aligned.
I need a
And you're
fucking
good.
beer. Where's your sister at?
I know, for real. Yo, she be acting mad ratchet. It's hot girl summer right now.
Oh shit, yeah, it's too fucking hot, man. Ow, holy fucking shit. It should have made all the way, but fuck it. I guess it's,
I don't think it's supposed to be all the way.
yeah, that's what these Honda clamps are for, right?
Yeah, exactly. Those are 15, right? Those, the APR ones?
15, yeah.
15. Are you gonna put hardy pipes in the back? Like that guy?
Yeah, that's fucking crazy. We'll finish it off with
Custom hardy pipes. Oh,
Fucking
what
shit,
the
bro.
fuck?
fucking no, yeah. That shit doesn't feel fucking right.
Now you're just wasting my fucking space on the SD card. Wait, so you had to pay for the tints and everything too?
Yeah, pay for the tints.
Damn.
It's like the second car, bro.
For when I said money pit, it was a money pit for you.
Next, stage 1. And DSG tune. And then,
Big
I don't know,
turbo.
APR intake. Nah, fuck that. Fuck big turbo. Yo, big turbo on this shit, APR stage 3 is like 460 horsepower, 10-second quarter miles.
Yeah, and like fucking $8,000 later.
At least.
Cakewalk. Wait, no more? That's it.
That's just, that's it.
I think that's it.
And they're knocking. Let me put this shit on the ground. Now you know what? Let's stay humble.
Shut the fuck up. Oh, say stay humble.
Fuck humble. Just because I want.
Now, all you gotta do is.
Yeah, you think it'll be hit? Nah.
Nah. If it's too tight, then that means you gotta not. You know how we pushed it up?
Yeah, just.
Yeah, you just let it loose and tighten it, and that's it. And then it should fall into place. But it should be fine.
That was good like that.
Yeah, it shouldn't hit.
I think that's it, bro.
Yeah, all you gotta do is adjust these. And then we can turn them on.
So, we got a split tie you motherfuckers up.
Yeah. Look, you gotta pull all of these.
Yeah, no, I'm talking about the cables and the sensors up here.
You need zip tie, dumbass.
You don't have any?
I don't have any. You didn't tell me to get zip tie. This one I just tucked here, but you're gonna need the zip tie.
Shit, it's a little louder than I thought.
It is pretty fucking loud.
Se escucha bonito por el frente.
Está un poquito más duro de lo que pensé. Fuck, imagine with the top pipe. Oh my god, yo.
You're gonna get her in trouble.
Shit, bro.
It does sound good. I like how it sounds.